You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this chemist, originally French name. I mean, it's famous for being the name of a famous French chemist. Grignard is the French pronunciation, yes indeed, with a silent D. The French love having silent letters at the end of words. Grignard is the French pronunciation here, therefore in English should be pronounced as Grignard. It's often pronounced Grignard indeed in English. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.